look what I'm doing, a new diptych. Each canvas is 2 meters square, so that's 4 meters of beautiful white canvas. It's going to go in the Aurora Tower foyer. That's one of the tallest towers in Brisbane, in an Art Deco style, so you can see the left panel here and all the vignettes. Right, it's about 60 hours of work to be painted on this. And the other thing I'm doing on the brief is little Swarovski crystals that are going to be like dewdrops and atmosphere in there. All metallics, beautiful iridescences, all framed. And it's the feeling of clouds and atmosphere above the city buildings. See ya! Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. As you can see, the colours are looking great. We'll go right in. So you can see that the colours have all been picked up on. The tint, the darker tone. We've got a nice, it's the same hue, just more saturated. Not quite as red, it is a red-orange. It's a custom mix that I've done for you. Everything's taped up above, ready to go on the foreground. As soon as I get the second section done down here, it'll all be masked off so it can't get damaged. It's also looking terrific with the frame. There we are. And exactly the same as the design, right? So I think we are good to go. There's some beautiful textures, some nice subtle little differences. That yellow is a gold, it's a light gold. Looking really, really nice. Alrighty, off I go, bye. Hey there everyone. So Aurora Tower has made some leaps and bounds in the last week. Look at this. There's one done here. I've got a new selfie stick, which I'm struggling to control. Wow. And then we've got this one. And we've laid out the gems in position here because the clients have come today to check it and they love it. So the next stage is sealing the artwork. And then, you know, putting all the gems back on again with an application of glass coat resin, which is going to add another dimension to it, a nice shiny, as clear water effect. And that'll be it. Then it goes off to the framers, stays there for a week, and then we get it delivered by a nice big truck in its boxes to Aurora Tower. My hanger and I put the artworks up, and then 2 days later we're having an unveiling, right? So that's going to be really exciting. All right, enjoy. Bye. Everyone, look where I am at Aurora Tower. Here's the very gorgeous Carlos, who's doing the job for us today. Say hey, Carlos. Say hey. And look at this space, everybody. These artworks that I have been working on for ages. There it is. I'm not going to show you the finished result until tomorrow, but exciting day for me. Okay, bye. So excited tonight. This has been the unveiling of the Aurora Tower diptych with Tracy Dunn's new furniture out here. All looking really lovely. It's a good crowd. I'm pretty happy. Bye. I'm at Aurora Tower where my hanger Carlos has just hung all of these artworks for my client, and I thought that I would show you in the daylight the new Aurora installation, which I hung a couple of months ago now, and interior designer Tracy Dunn has finished with the furniture and accessories. And hasn't she just done a fantastic job. So all of the metals are now united. Here we go. In the vases and in the frames, in the paintwork, in my Swarovski crystals, in the glass coat resin. Very hard to see here on video, but you can just see it glimmering. All the lovely textures and how the colours beautifully relate to Tracy's selection of upholsteries. So the artworks are about living in one of Brisbane's highest buildings and what it's like to be up there in amongst the atmosphere and the beautiful clouds. And you can see how the artworks tie in to the rest of the decor. So there we have it. My final installation for Aurora Tower. Okay, bye.